I'm recording now, right? You can hear this in the video. We've already started, we're in the middle of Cal States, CSUs. We know there's 23 of them. We have a map. We can see where they're all in California. They're all California State University campuses, 23 of them. The next slides we're gonna add are the requirements, right? What requirements, what classes, how many units, what tests do we need to take? How do we apply? When do we apply? That's the information we're gonna add here. Okay, so let's get to it. We're going to go to Google. Everybody go to Google. I mean, we're all gonna do it together. If you're doing it right now, we're all gonna fit. Well, bad timing, but go, hurry up. We're doing this right now. Okay, so what should I type to find out the Cal State University requirements?
What are the Cal State University requirements?
Just put CSU requirements. How about that? How about we just type in CSU, Cal State University requirements? Right here, freshman admission requirements, right? You guys are incoming freshmen, right? When you're starting off. Everybody see this one? The www.calstate. This one?
I think the CSU.
Oh, wait. You know what? I'm sorry. Let me go back. I just noticed something differently. I've known it, but what is this? You guys see this?
Mm-hmm.
What is this question and what is this called? We're all in Avid, right?
Yes.
We use some Avid techniques and things that we use to.
Question level 1.
What is this called when you're? Isn't this like inquiry? Like when you do your Cornell notes, you present a question and then you answer it, right? Like it's like you don't just put information. Like you're kind of telling people ahead, like what it is that you're asking. What are we trying to find out? And that's exactly how we're organizing these slides, right? I'm putting questions, and then it's kind of like this inquiry, where we're kind of telling them what information we're gonna give them, right? But presenting it in the form of a question. What are the CSU requirements? What GPA do you need? Does CSU require the SAT? Isn't that exactly what the information we're gonna present? Correct. Okay, but all of this is gonna be found here. Well, you know what? Let's click into this. What are the CSU requirements? Okay, see, it tells you something, but it doesn't tell you everything. Okay, what GPA do you need? What? I don't think, 3.69? I don't think that's right. I don't know, we'll check right now. Does the Cal States, do you require a SAT? CSU officially drops the SAT and ACT from admissions process in a major move. See, so that is recent. See, so before you did need either an ACT score, that's one test, or an SAT. But see, it looks like they're not enforcing it. Does CSU accept D's? What do you guys think? Does CSU accept D's?
Nah.
D grades may meet general education certification in some areas. But then it all calculates into your GPA. Okay. Anyways, let me go into this website. Let me tell you which ones you're gonna take a picture of and which ones we're gonna add on to our. Okay. All right. Freshman admission requirements for California residents. Oh, here it is. Right here. Do you guys see this one here? I mean, because if I click this, it's just going to go there. You are California residents. Do you guys know that if people from other states want to come and come to this school, the school's in California, do you know what the difference is?
They have it hard.
No. No, they have to pay more.
Oh,
They would have to pay more for tuition. Tuition is, you know, you got to pay for college now.
yeah.
If you're not a California resident and you don't live and you didn't go to school and grow up in California, let's say somebody from Texas or from Oregon or from New York or from where, any other state that wants to come and take classes, which they can, they'd have to pay more. And guess what? The same for you. If you want to go, if you're like, oh, I want to leave California, I want to go to whatever, Illinois, Kentucky, I want to go to a school over there in Chicago. Guess what? You're going to pay extra because you're not from that state. Did you know that? Yes.
They still have financial aid.
They have all that, but you're going to pay more for this, you know.
Oh, so financial aid may not cover it all.
Very good. Okay, so here we go. Freshman requirements. You guys know how to like zoom in a little bit like this? We're going to capture this one. We're going to capture just this first, but the freshman admission requirements for California residents. Okay.
What make is that? The first one?
Actually, wait. No. We're going to actually click into this red one. See this red one? Specific high school courses referred to as the A through G. Okay, here it is. That's the one that I have. I need you to take a picture of...
How do we access the first one?
Oh, I lost you already? Okay, go back. Are you on the...
Sorry.
Come on. You're holding everybody up. Is everybody here or was here already?
So that is the CS, CS state apply.
Okay, are you here? Now click this one that says specific high school courses. This one, see this first red one up on top. You guys, did you click that?
It doesn't appear. I got this one.
It should look like this. High school course requirements, A through G courses. Okay, so how do you guys do a screenshot or you capture a picture? How do you guys do that? Everybody does it different.
Control shift.
So do this one.
Forward to likes of the right.
Does it let me do a screenshot? No, because I'm recording. So take a picture of this all the way up to here. Just this part. Just this part from here to where? Probably right here.
Yep.
Oh no, I didn't want to touch it. I didn't touch it. I got close to it. Okay. Make sure you get that title right there. Make a window from here to probably about right there. Right there or right there. Get this part right here. Alright, and you're gonna, you should be able to capture or select an image or whatever, and then save it on your what? On your desktop, right? Okay, now go. Oh, you can just scroll up. It's right here. Right? If you scroll up, you'll see this thing right here again. Now, which grades in these courses and what test scores must you have? Well, you can click on this, or if you just scroll down, it'll tell you right where. Tell me where. Right here. Did you guys find this one that says grades? What grades must you be getting in these A through G courses that you're taking here in high school? Did you guys see this one? Okay, we're gonna capture this and you're gonna make another, take a big picture of all this up until where? I guess this whole thing, no? Yep. Up until right there, that whole thing. Take a picture of this whole thing. That's gonna be another page like this. Take a picture of this. That's the second picture, right?
Yeah, until the bullet points stop, right?
We're gonna read into all this information right now, just so, but right now it's all there. It's all there. It's all written for us, right? See, we don't have to thankfully. Okay, what else? Let's see. Scroll down and see. Scroll down some more. Graduate. Should you graduate from high school? Oh, yeah, it does. It says you must graduate from high school to be able to apply to a CSU. You guys read that right there? Do you think we need to add that in our slides, or it's pretty much? Can anybody just walk off the streets and just apply to a CSU that didn't graduate from high school? No. See, it says right here. For admission to a Cal State University, graduation from high school, and receipt of a high school diploma are admission requirements. Okay, we don't need to know that. Honors courses. If you're taking some honors course, anybody taking honors courses? Okay, if you're taking honors courses, I think we should all, yeah, you know what? Go ahead and capture this little part with the a little rectangle here with just the part that talks about the honors courses right here. Go ahead and maybe you're not taking one now, but that's going to be something you might want to look into for next year as a junior or as a senior. Taking some honors courses because you get extra credit points like on your GPA and stuff. Okay, and this one's a huge one. Does anybody know what EOP is all about? What is it? This is where this is like financial aid. This is where you get to apply for them to give you grants and money and financial aid and stuff, right? So yeah, definitely take another picture of this part that says the EOP information stuff. So what's this is going to be the fourth or the fifth picture?
Four.
The fourth, right? We got 4?
Yeah.
Everybody got 4 pictures cropped? Okay. So let me go back up. Anything else that we need to? No, I think that's it. Graduation from high school, is that the one that talks about? Oh yeah. Okay, we got everything. Anything else? Okay, now scroll all the way to the back to the top. Is everybody here? Back to the top? You guys all scroll back up to the top? Okay, now let's go to testing requirements. Go ahead and see what testing requirements are. What does it say right here on the top? The California State University no longer uses.
ACT or
See, that was not true a couple of years back before COVID. You had to have a ACT or an SAT score. See, now it's not. But if you take these tests and you score well, that looks really good. That'll precede maybe for some of you that kind of have like a GPA. But then you show them, look, I started off bad. I was bad 9th grader, and then I got my act together in the 10th grade. But now I'm doing good, and now look at my test score. So let's take a picture of this. Take a picture of this part that says freshman testing requirements, and if you can get this bottom part too, that'll be good. If not, save it and take another picture over here for the part that says, yeah, you know what? I'm sorry. Take this one here, just one of this top part, this top little paragraph here. Don't get these little squares. If you do, it's fine. And then get this bottom part, starting with the testing requirements. And all this stuff all the way to the SAT. All this, capture all this stuff right here. Okay, so that's like about 6 now or 7? 6 or 7 pictures that we got. I think it's 6 for sure. Yeah, Joshua. Where did I find this? Oh, okay, I'm sorry. Let me go back. I'm going to go back. You see right here, are you on this page where it says freshman admission requirements? Okay, now click on this part that says testing requirements. This one. Click this one that says testing requirements. And then that's where it says it right there. Did you find it? Okay, before we go here, sorry, I went a little bit ahead. Okay, everybody back, scroll up to the top. You guys are up here. It says freshman testing requirements. Okay, now go here. We're getting a lot of stuff. Ready? Everybody up here, just scroll all the way to the top and it says freshman testing requirements still.
Yeah.
Okay, now go down to where I just saw it, what I wanted to see. What is it? Over here on the left where it says what? Oh, here it is. I'm sorry. Right here. Application dates and deadlines. You guys see this right here? Application dates, right? We're going to find out when we need to applying. What are those dates and deadlines? So, boop, click onto that and you should look at a window that now looks like this. All right. Let's see. When do you apply, you guys? Well, it looks like there's 4 different times. If you apply in the fall, it's between October and December. If you apply in the summer, if you apply in the winter, you don't want to wait till you're a senior, but some people, I don't know.
Miss, where did you pick?
Miss?
Mister.
Yes, girl.
You reacted fast. Wow.
You want to know how I got to here?
Yes.
Oh my God. Okay, I'm gonna go back. Are you here where it says freshman testing
Yes.
requirements?
Yes.
Okay, then you go over here, like on this column on the right. See this column on the right? Scroll down to, where was it, everybody? Application dates and deadlines.
Okay.
And then you click on there. Boop. Okay. So try to get a picture of this whole thing right here, the whole thing. So this is like the 7th picture, right?
This is the 5th.
No, this is like the 7th.
Oh, the other one.
Okay, ready? Go to the back button, go back to where we were before back. And then the last thing is this, ready? The last one's this one. Again, go to the column on the right. Is everybody here? Am I going too fast? Oh, it's a video. You guys can watch it and rewind it. Right here on the right-hand side, guess which one's next, everybody? Look at there and you tell me which one you think you need to know also. Admissions requirement, that's what we did already. Like the high school graduation, we did that one already. Did we do the financial aid? We didn't do financial aid, huh? Like how are you going to apply for financial aid and how to get some grants and scholarships and stuff.
No.
Go ahead and click on financial aid right here. Right on the side column there. Okay, and then here's where it starts talking about financial aid, okay? So go ahead and just take a picture of this whole thing right here.
So we take a picture of everything, including the boxes.
Take a picture of this. Take a picture of, Yeah, you could maybe. So later when you come back to this website, you'll see what it looks like. Take a picture of this one, financial aid, and then look, scroll down, take another one of this. Right here. You see the types of financial aid. That's another thing you need to be aware of. What are different ways that you can work it out to afford for college, right? There's grants and there's loans. Do you guys know the difference between a grant and a loan? And a scholarship? Work study? Okay, so take a picture of this little kind of gray area box right here that says types of financial aid. That's going to be like another little thing that we got to understand. Okay? Okay. So we took about what, 8 pictures? Did anybody go and minimize your window and see how many pictures you have on your desktop? How many do you have? 7, right? There's 7 of them. Okay. What I want you to do is on your college presentation, you're going to add 7, you're going to put pretty much 1 slide for each of those pictures, yes? For each of those pictures. But if we're going to do it in this kind of question format, and you already have a slide like that, like for example, if you already have the one with the questions and the stuff sliding in, then, so you don't have to create it again. You can copy one that you already have. Copy the slide. You can change the background. We're going to change the questions and the colors and stuff. Do you guys understand that? So you don't have to create it again from scratch? So you're going to add, this is it. This is what I want to see today. You're going to add 7 more or whatever, however many pictures we took, slides. And in each slide, I want to see the pictures. Okay? So what's the next question? What order? What order do we want these pictures? You guys remember which one we took first and which one we took second and all that stuff?
Yeah.
You do? Okay. All right. I'm going to stop this video and then I'm going to make another quick one where it shows you the order and I'll have them on here, okay?